You've seen them everywhere, in your food, your hair mask, even your face creams. Avocados are sold as this miracle fruit, the symbol of health, luxury, and clean living. But what if I told you that behind that green goodness, there is a dark, ugly truth? The secret of forced ripening. Most avocados you buy didn't ripen naturally. They are picked rock hard and stored in massive warehouses where they are exposed to ethylene gas, a chemical that forces them to ripen fast. Now, ethylene isn't toxic. It's actually a natural plant hormone. But here is the problem. It speeds up ripening unnaturally, which means less flavor and fewer nutrients. The fruit looks perfect on the outside, but can turn brown or stringy inside. And once you bring it home, it spoils faster because the process was rushed. The truth about avocado oils. Now let's talk about the oil, the so-called healthy super oils. A 2020 UC Davis study tested popular avocado oils sold in the US, and what they found was shocking. But 80% of the products were either rancid or adulterated, mixed with cheap soybean or canola oil, or containing no real avocado oil at all. That's right, some bottles labeled pure avocado oil had 0% avocado content. And the reason? There is no strict regulation for avocado oil purity. Unlike olive oil, companies can label almost anything avocado oil if it contains even a trace amount, and most consumers will never know. Next time you buy it, make sure it's cold pressed, stored in a dark glass bottle from a source that lists the country of origin. Do cosmetics really contain avocado oil? It doesn't stop at cooking oil. Any skincare and cosmetic brand claims to use avocado extra or avocado oil, but here is the catch. Most of these products only contain trace amounts, just enough to legally list it on the label. In some cases, it's just synthetic avocado fragrance, not the actual oil. So when your face cream says infused with avocados, it's often marketed, not nourishment. Always check the ingredients list. If Persea Gratissima Oil isn't near the top, it's basically not doing anything. Mexico is the world's largest avocado producer, responsible for about 1/3 of global supply. It has variety from Michoacan grows in volcanic soil, giving it unmatched creaminess and rich nutty flavor. It's naturally ripened on the tree, full of healthy oils, the gold standard of avocados. Peru. Peru's avocado industry has grown fast, built on organic farming, fair trade standards, and natural ripening methods. Their avocados are slightly oily than Mexico's, but still creamy and mild, perfect for export to Europe and Asia. Many Peruvian farms also prioritize sustainable irrigation and chemical-free harvesting, making them a global model for cleaner production. Kenya. In East Africa, Kenya is quickly becoming a major player, especially for cold-pressed avocado oils. More other farmers grow Hars and Fiat varieties using rain-fed, organic methods. Their oils are pure, unrefined, and nutrient-rich, but the country is still developing stronger export quality control. Chile. Chile's avocados are consistent and high quality thanks to advanced farming systems. But there's a major issue: water scarcity. In regions like Petoka, rivers have dried up to sustain avocado farms, leaving locals with severe shortages. South Africa. South Africa has found a middle ground, producing both hard and fertile avocados with ethical traceable farming. It's known for eco-certification and pure cold-pressed oils that rank among the best in the world. California. California grows some of the freshest, safest avocados in the world, mostly Hass, ripened naturally on the tree in San Diego and Ventura counties. They are handpicked, locally sold, and grown under the strict US food regulations. Production is seasonal and small scale, which means higher prices and limited supply. Some California producers make excellent pure oil. Many supermarket California avocado oils are blended with imports. Always check for 100% California grown label. Every region brings something unique. Mexico leads in flavor, Peru in ethics, Kenya in oil purity, Chile in consistency, South Africa in balance, and California in freshness. What you can do? So how can you make sure you're getting the real deal? Buy from trusted brands that publish lab tests or it's certified cold pressed. Choose dark glass bottles and store them in a cool place. Avocado oil spoils fast. When possible, use fresh avocados instead of processed oil. A few smart choices can help you enjoy real avocado without falling for the fake green marketing. Avocados are amazing when they are real. This isn't about fear, it's about awareness. Because when you know the truth, you can choose better. Stay informed, not influenced. Subscribe for more real stories that impact your health and daily life.